Hi, money makers, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special topic to discuss with you guys. I want to share with you how you can actually make extra money in your spare time. I know many of you are probably wondering, well, what can I do with this extra time that I have? Well, stay tuned because I have an answer for you. So how does this work? So how does this happen? Well, let me break it down to you. Some companies and businesses have extremely long lines in their queues. And in special cities, especially larger cities, those lines can be astronomical and can be extremely long. So that is where you will come in, actually by providing a service whereby you will actually sit in the line in the absence of a person or a customer and secure the tickets that they would like to have for any type of venue. That's right, folks. Standing in line is a huge opportunity to make extra money. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. So I know you're probably wondering, who is your market or where is your market? Imagine this. There is a huge event coming to town and there are many people that would like to actually go to that event. The only way they can secure tickets is they have to be present at any venue, ticket place, or ticket company, or what have you. But there's an extremely long line and they don't have the patience to actually wait in line. Now, it could be an event that's coming, or it could particularly be something that's going on in the city that requires a long wait. Well, that is exactly where you would come in. Because you have patience, you are willing to actually stand in line on behalf of the customer or the person. They get the product that they want by you standing in line, and in turn, you get paid for your time. It's that simple, guys. You get paid for the time that you spend in line, and they get what they need. It's a win-win. So you may be wondering, how do you find these opportunities, or how do you find jobs of this nature that will allow you to stand in line? Well, let me tell you, there are many platforms. There are several platforms available that you can gain access to these type of gigs and start standing in line today at a cost. You can sign up today, browse the available jobs, and select those jobs that meet your expectations as well as the things that you're willing to do. So they are totally aligned with what you're willing to do. Here's an example of a platform. As you can see, there are a host of jobs available. Just scroll through these jobs and identify that one job that you're willing to actually do. As you scroll through the jobs, you can see not only the job and the actual description, but you can also see that the pay. The pay could be a range from anywhere from, say, $19 to $20 an hour all the way up to $40 an hour. Not to mention, if you're an independent consultant, you can actually set your own price. In many markets where the cost of living is higher, you can name a price that exceeds the $40 an hour. During the time that you're actually in line, you could actually catch up on emails. You can actually take a look at different short stories. You can actually read some of the stories that you've missed. You can actually listen to an audiobook or actually do a number of things that you possibly couldn't do because you're busy throughout the day. Since you have this idle time standing in line, you are not only making money for yourself, but you're also capturing or getting a product for your customer, and you're actually allowing yourself to review or do things that ordinarily you would have to have idle time to do anyway. So it's a win-win-win, actually. So what are you waiting for? Instead of standing in long lines with no benefit, why not turn this into an opportunity to earn money by standing in line and getting paid? The next time you're actually standing in line, just remember, you could really be getting paid for that time. All it takes is for you to actually go out and secure the opportunity and seize the opportunity. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this information very helpful and inspiring. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more ways to make money and fulfill your dreams. Thanks for watching. Until next time.